Replacing the cabin air filter in your vehicle yourself is one of the easiest do-it-yourself vehicle maintenance projects that you can do. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter in my 2017 Toyota 4Runner. This video is applicable for all 5th generation 4Runners running from the 2010 to present 2020 model year. Now you will need a replacement filter for your vehicle. I've got the Fram Fresh Breeze filter. It's part number CF10285. I got it from Walmart. You can go to a Walmart, you can go to an auto parts store. They've got little maintenance manuals. You can look up what part number you need or ask somebody for help. I'll also put a link to this in the description below. Now to replace the filter, we're gonna go over here to the passenger side of the vehicle, and it's actually located inside of your glove box. So open up your glove box, get anything cleared out that's in the way, and then we'll get to the installation. So to get to the filter, we've got this little cover plate in the back. We're just going to push down on these two little tabs and pull that down. And then inside, push in on these two tabs and pull off this little cover. And then we can see the filter now. So we'll just grab a hold of that. Let's gently pull it out. And then we will grab our new filter. Now you'll see, looking at our old filter, that we've got some debris in there. Actually looks like we've got some little eggs or something. Pretty gross looking. For comparison, here's our new filter. Nice and clean and bright white. I'm just going to go ahead and slide this back in. We'll take this white cover, pop it back into place. And then we'll take the black cover and pop that back in. With that, the install is complete. So with that, the clean cabin air filter is installed. As you can see, super easy to do it yourself. If you do have any comments or questions on the install, leave them in the section below. For more videos of the 5th generation 4Runner, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.